Hey guys, how are you? So I'm in my Scratch account and I just want to show you around a little bit, point out a couple of things, okay? So I created my account and right over here you can see the drop down with a couple of items. I want to show you my stuff in a little bit, so we'll get back to that. One of the first projects is a tutorial, and I think it's important that you go through this unless you've been playing with Scratch for a while. This is a good piece to start off with. I'm sorry, my computer's a little slow, but it's coming along. Okay, so this is the first project, and this is how these tutorials open up. So here you have the board where you see your sprite, that's what your characters are called, and here are all the different commands, okay? And in here is where you're going to drag and drop your commands. All right, very easy to do. And when you begin on the right side, it's going to tell you what it would like you to do. And what's nice about the tutorials is that you have this little mousy guy going back and forth telling you what to do. Okay? Now, one of the things I didn't pick up on was that when it gives you a different command, so let's say the next thing, everything's purple, I'm like, I don't have purple, what's up? Alright, you point to sound, like the little mouse does, click, and here we go, purple. Alright, so that didn't come to me naturally. Alright, so just wanted to point that out to you. When you're all done with everything that you want to do, you can replay it in this screen here. Now I haven't set anything, but this tutorial tells you to use the flag to start the commands, okay, and then it would play out for you. Now if you go over to this corner here where it says See Project Page, click on that, and it's going to show you your project, alright, and you click this green flag here and it gets it going, if that's what the instructions are. And as you can see, I did not save this, so it's a good idea to save. Right here is important. That shows you all the scripts that you wrote and how many sprites or characters. And then if you want to go back in because you didn't like the way it played out, click See Inside. Okay? So that is that. I want to show you one more thing, so actually two more things. You go back to Scratch, okay, so that's how you get home again. I'm going to have you guys jump into Starter Projects. If you're not ready, go over to Tips, and a bunch of tutorials playing around with different features, okay, and you can go to Tutorials, and it gives you guiding instructions and that little mousy guy showing you everything step of the way. Alright, so maybe you want to do that if you're still not comfortable. But let's go back to Scratch, go back home. And this is where all the projects are going to be found. So click on those, and you open up any project that you're interested in. Okay, so I think DJ Scratch Cat is kind of funny. So I'm going to go there. That's one of the projects that you can get tickets for. So a couple of things. There's already some animation scripted. There are 7 scripts and 2 sprites. Now the instructions for this project is, it tells you to press Z, X, these different letters to mix in the sounds. Okay. And these are the changes that it is suggesting. So as you do this project, that's what I want you to think about. Now if you come up with different changes, that's great. Just let me know what they are. Alright? 2 important things. See Inside. Click to open this up. Now you see all the different scripts in different colors because it's using sound, it's using control, and so on. Click Remix before you start. Okay, so click Remix, and as you can see, this is my second time in here with the remix. Okay, and that way it becomes your project now, okay? And all the things that you do to it will be saved, okay? So now, just want to show you one last thing. When you're ready to let me know that you've done a project, go to your drop-down menu, click My Stuff, okay, and you can see some of the things that I've been playing around with, okay. I want you to take a snip or a screenshot of your project, but I want to see inside, okay. So, take a snip of all of this, alright, you should have your snippet tool, or you can just press print screen, PRT space SC, alright, and copy and paste that into my submission part of the assignment, and that way I can see all the awesomeness that you've done. And don't forget to tell me the changes that you've made, since I won't get to play it. Now, if you want to record your screen because you know how to do that, and then I can see the changes even better, that would be way cool. But just for this, you will get your 50 tickets if you show me your project and the changes that you've made in here, okay? And we can click back to see project, and I can see there were no changes made to this one. There's still 7 scripts and 2 sprites. Okay, I didn't get to play around with it. So that's just a couple of pointers for you. Jump in, have some fun. This is a really cool program, and it really builds a strong background for you when it comes to future projects in other programming languages. So have fun. Thanks, guys.